If the marketer tells you that he doesn't track the numbers or he cannot provide you with a marketing report he built according to your online sales, run away. Every marketer and online educator needs to understand how to track the numbers. And the thing here is that you can track too many numbers and this is not the right way, or you can track not enough of metrics, which will not allow you to predict and control your business. Hi, my name is Anna Zakkery. Welcome to my marketing channel. Here I explain how does my system works. I'm a big fan of evergreen webinars and challenges, and I have my own method of how I do it for my clients. I've been in the business since 2018. You can find me on Instagram, I'm on LinkedIn, on TikTok, and now I have launched more than 20 online academies. I work as a managing director for them and help them to build sustainable online sales system by executing evergreen funnels and challenges. In this video, my goal is to educate you and help you to understand the numbers, and I want you to stop freaking out from a simple Excel spreadsheet. This is the marketing report, which allows us to understand how efficiently we spend money on Evergreen webinar, how much money we spent and how much money we got back. So you can see that it has several columns. I will guide you through each of the columns for you to better understand it. I intentionally show you the spreadsheet, not complicated CRM dashboard or something, because you do not need to invest money in organizing it and automate it. No, just go simple for the beginning and that will be more than enough. This is a real report for the project which my company runs. This is the wedding business course. We work with photographers and videographers in wedding business, and we teach them how to build a real wedding business, how to attract as many customers for photo and video services, specifically for wedding, and then how to attract new videographers and photographers, and then scale your business by delegating the services and growing the customers you serve. Okay, the first column is all about the dates. So we need to track on a daily basis what is happening with the funnel. So if somebody told you that once you build an evergreen webinar and that's it, and you get a passive income, it's true and not true at the same time. You need to optimize the funnel all the time. And I've been in this niche for more than 9 years, and I know for sure that as meta ads or any sort of paid ads, they have the habit to lose the efficiency, and you all the time need to optimize it. The first thing is the column with the dates. The second column is the ad spend. So meaning how many dollars you spent on paid ads. This is the accumulative report for Meta and Google Ads. So for example, on October 3rd, we spent $259 for the Meta ads. For that amount of clicks, we got about 34 leads. What do we mean by leads? Leads here is the person who have registered for the webinar. So for $259 spent, we were able to generate 34 registrants for our Evergreen webinar. That gives us about $7 per lead, which is extremely low. Why? Because I know how to do that. We have a specific system of meta ads, which allows us to generate leads at a very low price. Then comes the CV registration. This is an important column. Here we track how well and how efficient is the landing page where we present the upcoming Evergreen webinar. People who come to the landing page, they do not know that it's Evergreen, definitely. They think that this is a live webinar. And we explain on the landing what will be the program of the event, what they can expect, for whom this webinar, and so on. Then it's super important here to track how well it performs, how well your website generating the leads for you. The benchmarks which we are targeting is about the 25% of the conversion rate. Unfortunately, this project by that moment was not able to generate that benchmark, but it's still not bad. Then comes the show up rate. Why it's 0 here? Because this is the first day when we started to run the ads. So those people, they came to the next day, not the same day. We see that 17 people showed up. That gives us about 50% conversion rate, and you can see the total for the period is 51.5 show up rate. The benchmarks, the really good result, is about 45%. This is a top result, which usually the market can give you. We generate 41.5%, which is above the market expectations. After that comes column K, where we have the numbers for unpaid order. Unpaid order meaning people started to pay at the webinar, but they did not finish filling in the fields, so they did not just finish the order, they put it in the cart. So the next column is conversion lead to paid. So how many people who are registered for the webinar paid at the end? So how many of them decided to sign up? The conversion rate that we are targeting is, if it's a cold traffic, it's up to 3%. Total for the period here, you can see that we made the result of 4.79, which is again higher than the expectations of the market. Because we have a very strong email sequence after the webinar, and we also have a sales department who are calling attendees of the webinars. So we call to the registrants, we call to the people who showed up, definitely we call to people who left the unpaid orders and who paid the deposit. We supported with a big human involvement. And this is one of the success points. So when you run Evergreen webinars, one of the big problems is that you guys are disregarding that people who showed up to your Evergreen webinar, they're actually the strangers. And there's a big thank you for them. You need to be grateful that they trusted you and they showed up for your 2-hour presentation. For this purpose, we definitely need to understand that the more we care about each person who registered, the more they will be surprised. They do not expect you to call them or maybe to send them some gifts or to show some attention, and sincerely ask them like, why are you guys registered? How can I help you? That shows a great result. And then the next column comes, this is the sales revenue. The revenue which shows you how much money you were able to generate on a daily basis. Let me show you one of the secrets again of my Evergreen webinar system. We never ask for the full price on the webinar. We only ask for the deposit, and the deposit is quite small. It's refundable and you immediately get some products once you pay the deposit. So you are paying money and you immediately get what you paid for, but you also open the door for the full enrollment and for the application for the high ticket course. For this course, we have average ticket about 1,800. So people pay the deposit on the webinar, this is $97, and then they finalize the order after the webinar. We give them a call, we help them to choose the package, we try to upsell them with several products and services, and help them to finalize the order and choose the right path for the course. And then after that, we definitely track the cost per client, which is one of the most important metrics here, never disregard it. And then we definitely track the return of ad spend. So how much money we invested and how much money we got back. For this project, again, this is the niche, is a wedding business. We help wedding photographers and videographers. This is the client of my company. We spent $6,417 on Evergreen. We launched it for the very short time. It's only 4 weeks. And we were able in these 4 weeks to generate $21,622, which is a big thing, considering the thing that those guys, they have only 320 followers on Instagram. They have 0 emails in the contact list when we started, and they have no representation in digital industry. They had 0 experience, 0 case studies for this specific course. This is how the marketing report should look like if you are an online educator and if you are running paid ads and if you have an evergreen funnels. Now, my recommendation, if you guys want to have something the same for your business, if you want more predictability and if you want to be more in control of every dollar you spend, and on top of that, if you want to build a sustainable sales system, come to the free consultation. In the description box to this video, I've dropped the link for my Calendly. If there are some free spots available for the consultation for this month, come join me. Let's jump on a Zoom call and I will help you to break down what is happening today in your online course and what actions you need to take in order to get to the point B when you have all the time the consistent flow of sales, no matter if you're on vacation, you have a day off, or you working hardly. This consultation is specifically for online educators who already have online courses or mentorship programs or one-on-one consultations. If you're only thinking, oh, maybe one day in 2032, I will create my online course, and you've been dreaming about for years and still did not do any steps toward it, don't come. Only people who are really serious about your decision will be so happy to help you. And remember that anytime you can ask me the questions on my Instagram. Here is my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me and send me your questions in direct messages. Okay, this video was all about reporting systems. I hope I motivated you to create something similar. Start small to go big in the future. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.